Today we have a special treat for you. We are going to be showing an install of an S350. At the same time, we're going to be showing an M550, which is our mono version of this unit right here. Here we have a stereo amplifier. It has a right channel and a left channel. We can use spades on here, or you can use banana plugs. We also have our XLR input right, XLR input left. The mono looks similar to this, only it only has one side. You can see here we have our 12-volt trigger. If you use the 12-volt trigger, it disables the front power button. So if you do that, do not be concerned that the front power button does not work. Right here we have lights. There's a low, off, and high. The main power must be flipped up, and then you can turn on the power button from the front. It's a two-step process, not just the switch on the back or the switch on the front. And lastly, we have our 20 amp power inlet. So we are gonna start with our right side speaker post. And then we are going to do our left. Loosen these up. There's not a particular order to these, so you can do it however you want. And then we are going to do our XLRs. Start with our left, with our right. And then last, power. We're going to go over the 12-volt trigger in some more detail. So we have a left and a right. You can use them interchangeably. You can use it to turn on your sources or your other amplifiers. All of our preamps have a 12-volt trigger. So this is a 12-volt trigger out. So what we're going to do is go from here, and we will go to our amplifiers 12-volt trigger in. And then from here, what you would do if you wanted to turn on another amplifier, I only have one table, but you would go to the out into another amplifier. And when you turned on your preamp, it would turn on your amplifiers. If you are not using the 12-volt trigger, you power up the unit the same way you would if you were using the 12-volt trigger. You still flip the switch up. And then underneath the front, right under this screw behind it, there's this little push button, and it pops our unit on. And we can change the light settings on here. This is low, middle is off, and there's a high bright. Thank you everyone for taking an interest or owning our products. If you have any additional questions, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.